Did you know that honey and lemon tea is like a sweet, citrusy hug for your throat? Honey's antimicrobial powers combined with lemon's vitamin C make it a tasty immune booster. Plus, it might just make your cough feel like it's taking a hike, chickening out of feeling better. Chicken soup is the ultimate comfort food, packing nutrients and hydration to kick those cold symptoms to the curb. And ginger? It's spicy, it's zingy, and it's a natural anti-cough superhero. Who knew that a root could be so mighty?